Alright guys, I'm basically done setting my bike up. See if you can find all the pieces that are gonna make this bike be ready to be street legal or be able to make your bike street legal shortly. That's what the bike looks like. Let me go over to the bar switch so you can see what everything looks like when it's turned on. There's those headlights. See those up front where I like to put them. And honestly, the front fender barely gets in the way. If you're like really turned a lot, it gets in the way a little bit, but if you're just riding, you don't even notice it. And then the front blinkers are right there underneath the clutch and the front brake. So if I turn one on here, there you can see that blinker is on. And if we go over to the back here, you'll see the tail light and the blinker is on to go left. I'll show you the right. That's what the right looks like. And these are 3 separate LED housings. And this is actually a 3D printed mount I designed specifically for this. And I really liked how this came out. These are both at kind of an angle so that you can push it far back. Like a KTM that doesn't have such a pointed thing right here. You could really stick it right on the edge if you wanted. You can mount it farther forward if you want, whatever, but this has inserts that I melted into that plastic mount. And then these are M3 bolts. And I think the final kit's gonna have black ones in it instead of these silver. But I mean, this thing is sturdy. When I mean sturdy, I mean it's not gonna come off unless you really want it to. But anyway, there's the front. And then you might be able to see the brake light turn on. See that get a little bit dimmer there? I mean brighter. Let me turn off the blinker. But there you go. Brake works. But that's basically pretty dang close. I'm still doing some tweaking, but that is pretty much what the new Street Legal kit is gonna look like. So let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you guys think I should do or change. Obviously, like I said before in my other video, I will have options like a different bar switch if you want that. But this is basically the base kit that you're gonna get in the mail, and it will have everything you need. This mounting hardware will be included, everything you need to be able to make your bike look exactly like this will be included. But yeah, I really liked how it turned out, and looks really clean. Like, I mean, if you look from here, you can hardly tell that this isn't just a dirt bike. But these laser cut mounts for those blinkers turned out super nice. I really like that, and they're aluminum, so they're never gonna rust, never gonna have any issues with that. You can bend them any way you want, and it just looks really clean. And they're sturdy enough to be mounted right there. And I just really like that it looks just like a dirt bike, kind of like my 2019 did. But anyway, let me know guys if you have any suggestions or anything like that. My website, dirtscootdesigns.com, will be live, I'm thinking May 1st, and you'll be able to purchase this kit from me. So let me know what you think.